Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be good. You are excited? Okay, I am Anjali Jadiwal, MD Team 360. Today we take up 17 shloka of first chapter. Didi sir today explain about the importance of this shloka in practical life. Didi sir also correlates with 7 habits of highly effective people.
Hello everybody. Today we will take up 17th sloka of first chapter Bhagavad Gita. Okay, we are covering 700 days project for Bhagavad Gita. We have also coupled with this concert 7 habits of highly effective people also. Both will go together. Okay, because 7 habit of highly effective people is a made easy for Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita can be put into practice through cultivating 7 habits in your life. Okay, so we remain thankful for COVID that he made such a staircase for achieving the benefits of Bhagavad Gita. Okay, first of all, I would like to extend my thanks to Anjali ma'am for inviting me in this discourse. Secondly, I also extend my thanks for Hema ma'am for digital support. Okay, let us start about this 700 days Bhagavad Gita wisdom in 7 habits mission. Okay, yoga karmsu koslam. Bhagavad Gita says one thing very pivotal, very central theme of Bhagavad Gita. What is that? Do the work excellently. Do the work, do the work, do the work and excellently. कर्म योग योग कर्मसु कौशलम कि कुशलता पूर्वक कार्य करें. स्किलफुली डू द वर्क, एक्सपर्टली डू द वर्क विद योर ऑल 100% पावर. ओके, एंड देन Stephen R. Covey translated Yoga Karmsu Koslam in this way: be proactive and be excellent. Okay, similar things, identical things, both are having Karam Yog and Yoga Karmsu Koslam. What is Yog? Yog means pleasure, Yog means enjoyment, Yog means joy. Okay, when will you get joy? When you do the work excellently. Okay, whenever you do, why you do work? For enjoying. Enjoyment is the first and foremost need of doing any work. You keep in your mind, Bhagavad Gita says, you enjoy. If you are like to kill Duryodhan, never mind, you enjoy killing Duryodhan. You enjoy killing Bhishma Pitame. You enjoy killing Dronacharya. This was the teaching of Lord Krishna given to Arjun. Enjoyment is important. Whatever thing you do, that is immaterial, but everything should give you joy. It is a joyful activity in your life, and this is known as Anandamay Loka. Is so, which Lord Krishna belongs? Anandamay Loka. Enjoyment, joyful, blissful. Okay, then what is the first chapter? 70th slok is कायश्च परमेश्वर से शिखंडी च महारथ है दृश्य द्युमनो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च पराजित है. In these slokas, what are you doing? Resounding voice of Maharathis is being blind. Okay, so Kasiraj is blowing his conch shell. Shikhandi, who was Shikhandi? Shikhandi was the elder brother of Draupadi, and he was the cause for death of Bhishma Pitame also. Okay, then Drishtyudyuman also blown his console. Was Drishtyudyuman? Drishtyudyuman was the twin brother of Draupadi. Okay, and then Virat was the king, where the Pandavas remain in the time of exile. Okay, and then what is Satyaki? Satyaki is the commander-in-chief of Lord Krishna's army. Okay, so these people also resounded their conch shells to give the suitable answer to Kaurav army. Okay, then what is the importance of Kasiraj? Kasiraj was a very Maharathi. Similarly, Virat is also Maharathi. Satyaki is unconquerable. Nobody can defeat, never defeated Satviki. Okay, Drashtadyuman was the whole soul in charge of Pandav army, and then Shikhandi was the elder brother of Draupadi. Okay. So, what are the importance of Bhagavad Gita through this sloka in your practical life? That is important. My aim here is to give you the benefits of Bhagavad Gita through these slokas. First benefit, just I uttered that you seek enjoyment for doing the work. Secondly, you do the work. Whatever work you do, like blowing up console, okay, they were all doing it with joy. Okay, whatever work you do with joy, only for seeking joy. It means work is important, not result. Result is not recommended by Bhagwan Krishna. He says actions are important. You do actions with keeping in your mind destination. Where are you going to be? And what was the result? Result is dependent on many principles. So don't care for result. Whatever the result comes, accept gladly. Okay, this is the Bhagavad Gita giving you this sloka for resounding voice. And one thing important, I today told you that do the work, do the work, do the work. Karam Yoga is the main theme of Bhagavad Gita. And you take enjoyment, work with enjoyment, work with interest, work with joy, work with getting pleasure. Pleasure is the sole aim of your life. आनंद प्राप्ति, खुशी प्राप्ति, प्रसन्नता की प्राप्ति ही जीवन का मुख्य उद्देश्य है. हर कार्य जो करो उसमें ये चीजें प्राप्त होनी चाहिए. और दिस इज ए चॉइस. ओके, to get enjoyment, to get joy is your choice, and you can take this choice, you can take this benefit from any work. Smallest work will also give you the choice for either pleasure or harmful things. You should choose pleasure, you should choose joy. Okay, so this is very very important for you. And मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बतला दूं कि भगवत गीता का 17वां श्लोक पहले अध्याय का जो है, इसमें सात्यकी आदि ने भी अपना शंख बजाया, ताकि क्या है, सात्यकी ये कभी हारा नहीं था, अपराजित व्यक्तित्व था. तो इसके शंख बजाने से कौरवों की सेना में भगदड़ मच गई कि सात्यकी का यानी शंख हो गया, मतलब इसकी विजय सुनिश्चित है, पांडवों की विजय सुनिश्चित है. मैं आज आपको भगवत गीता के श्लोक के जरिए ये बतलाता हूँ, चाहे शंख वादन का कार्य हो, पर इस कार्य को भी आनंद पूर्वक कीजिए और आनंद लेने के लिए कीजिए. ओके, चाहे दुर्योधन की हत्या का काम हो, आनंद पूर्वक कीजिए. प्रत्येक कार्य में आनंद लीजिए, और आनंद लेना आपका चुनाव है. इसलिए आप जब भी कोई कार्य करें तो ग्लैडली करें, आनंद पूर्वक उसको स्वीकार करें, आनंद पूर्वक उसको करें, और करने के बाद में आनंद की अनुभूति करें और आनंद की ही अभिव्यक्ति करें. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Today the discourse is amazing. I am Anju Jangit, Project Director, Team 360. Extend my due gratitude for his great discourse. On 17th slok of first chapter, I now extend my thanks to you all. I wish for your future. We will see in the next discourse.